we were introduced to two prominent data interchange formats, which are XML and JSON. This class is using JSON. We are using JSON because of its simple format and increasing popularity. Let us see how does JSON data looks like. This is the simplest JSON data. Each data in JSON is treated as an object. The object is represented with a pair of curly braces. The data within the objects are represented in name pair value. Within an object, most of the times we have more than one data. For example, here, we have ID and name. When this happens, we separate the data using comma. JSON allows us to have an aggregated data, meaning that there will be an object within another object. For example, here, we have subject taught by the teacher. We use curly braces to represent the aggregated object. The previous examples show single object representation in JSON format. At times, we need to return more than one object, for example, an array of objects. JSON uses square brackets to hold an array of objects.